In this session, you will quickly refresh few fundamentals of digital circuit. When you have written the state of any digital circuit and simplify it using the mathematical formulas, there will be only two types of components in it, which are, the logic gates and flip-flops. As you know, there are only 7 logic gates, which are the AND, OR, XOR, NOT, NAND, NOR and XNOR gates. A flip-flop is the memory storage element which can store a single bit input data in it, for the duration of a clock signal. All types of flip-flops, like D-flops, JK flops, latches etc., are again made of logic gates. Thus we can say that, every digital circuit is made of, only, logic gates. This breakdown will further go down into transistors, as all logic gates can be made with only transistors. Thus, every digital circuit is made of gates and flops, flops are made of gates, and all gates are made using transistor. This concludes that, every digital circuit is made of, only with a large number of transistors. To simplify the design process, our aim is to model the complex digital circuits in an abstract way, which hides details of its transistor-level circuit diagram. This is the whole purpose of using a hardware description language in IC design. Next, you will learn about the types of digital circuits. There are 2 types of digital circuits, sequential and combinational circuits. A digital circuit whose output depends, not only on the present value of its input signals, but on the sequence of past inputs or the input history is called as a sequential circuit. On the other hand, a digital circuit whose output is a pure function of only its current input is called as a combinational circuit. In simple words, a digital circuit with a memory storage element in it will be a sequential circuit and without memory will be a combinational circuit.